Yo, what's going on, you unprofitable demons? It's your boy Bev bringing you guys another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to bodybuild on a budget. You know what I'm saying? We're unprofitable. So, I'm going to show you how to get absolutely jacked without having to spend an arm and a leg on some food. So I'm going to go hit up my local Walmart. I might hit up another store, maybe two. Really just depends on what I find over at Walmart. But I'm going to show y'all how to get jacked on a fucking budget. You know what I'm saying?
Do you know what I am saying?
Anyways, if you day trade and you don't work out, what the fuck are you doing, bro? Just transfer that consistency. Just transfer that consistency and that discipline from the charts into the gym. It's really not that hard. There should be no reason as to why you day trade and you're fucking fat. Straight the fuck up. Palabra. Also, just saying, Alpha Futures is having a 20% off sale on all evals. It's usually 10%. All I'm saying is if you use code BEV and you show me proof that you use code BEV, you get 5 entries into my giveaway. Do what you will with that information, you know what I'm saying? We got our grocery bags. We got our pussy mobile here, locked and loaded, ready to go. Shit, we got the fucking pussy wagon looking magnificent. Color matching with the Walmart, you know what I'm saying?
Do you know what I am saying?
I know what you are saying. Alright, we're in the Walmart now. We're getting ready to commence the anabolic grocery shopping. So, I had to post up here real quick. Next to the energy bags, you know what I'm saying?
Do you know what I am saying?
Since I'm already here, might as well get my daily fix for tomorrow morning's AM trading session. You know what I'm saying?
I know what you were saying.
So, let me see what kind of options they got real quick. Shit. We got options today. We got the Monstros, the Laney's, the Celsiuses, the Ghosts. I seen a Ghost. Got the Stabs down here. Zero sugar, what? Never seen those before. See what's it got. Ooh, got here. What's the OJ? Let's say, take a gander. Where? Alright, honestly, I think I made up. Whoa, fucking buggers and shit. I think I made up my mind. I'm gonna go with the homie Cosmo, you know what I'm saying?
Do you know what I am saying?
Alright, shot. We've got options. You can go for ground beef. Me personally, I like it as lean as you can get. I know there's 97.3, but Walmart has 93.7. The leaner it is, the drier it's gonna be, so you better know how to season your shit. But, as much as I want some ground beef, this shit really does not last me long. So I like some longevity. So me personally, honestly, 2 of these should get us right, no cap. These right here, anabolic as fuck. Also, I'm craving some fucking pizza. So I got a fucking salchicha lovers fucking special right here. Pretty good macros, 780, 65 grams of protein. I will be devouring this shit today. Would stay away from the pork. Not very anabolic, if I do say so myself. Personally, recently, I've been fucking with lemon pepper chicken. So I'm just gonna go on and snag 2 of these. Some thin sliced, boneless, skinless chicken breast with red meat. Anabolic as fuck. Me personally, I'm a lazy bastard when it comes to cooking rice. So I just got these little rice cups right here. This shit's right here. Absolute gas. You'll thank me later. Go on, snag me. God damn, bro, I'm a fucking midget. Snag me 4 of them. Let's go. These right here. Secret to getting absolutely fucking jacked. We're gonna snag 2 of them. Cheap as fuck. Hella fucking protein. And it tastes good as fuck. This right here will get you absolutely dick skin shredded. Shit, so far the grocery cart's looking anabolic as fuck, I'm not even gonna lie. Alright, I'm about to put you guys onto some serious game. I just bought one the other day, so I personally will not be buying one again. but cop yourself one of these tubs, make one before your lift, and sip it on the way to the gym, or chug it if you really want to, and you will literally thank me later. You'll feel so hydrated, and quite literally you'll feel like fucking Super Saiyan 4 God, Super Saiyan on Kaioken fucking 100 if you down one of these before your lift. On the dead homies, you know what I'm saying? You can't go wrong with some 0-calorie soda, you know what I'm saying? Something to go with the yogurt, you know what I'm saying? I'm a slut for pita bread, so I'm gonna be snagging 2 of these. Oh, Comey, this was a damage. 86 ball hairs. I shot. Just finished our grocery haul. Now I gotta put it inside the grocery getter, you know what I'm saying? Ugh. So I'm dusting that Fetty Wap, you know what I'm saying? 1. Go. 2. There you go. Grocery getter locked and loaded, ready to go. We got the Fetty Wap demon behind us, as you can hear that. But just finished the anabolic grocery haul. So I'm gonna go ahead and skedaddle over to my crib. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna fucking devour that pizza because I'm fucking starving. Damn, baby, all I need is a little bit. She asked 21 questions like I'm 50 Cent. Talking the whole time, no, I ain't got a bitch. Look at his fit, it ain't a secret, we getting chips. Talking shit like I'm singing sharp. All right, you're unprofitable demons. I made it back to the crib safe and sound. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm about to show you guys another overview of the haul real quick, so that way you guys can see everything that I bought in one shot. So let's get right to it. So this right here is what 88 ball hairs or 88 bottles get you in America at the moment. So we got our little rice cups right here. We got our sizzle steak. We got our pita bread because I'm a slut for this. We got our anabolic thin slice chicken breast. We got our monstro for tomorrow morning. So when we're ready to catch the next market move, we've got a yogurt. I highly recommend you guys buy these though, like dead serious, especially if you're on a cut. You could literally spam these. 2 of these is 30 grams of protein. So do what you will with that information. This is free game, by the way. I highly recommend these. Or you can just buy the tub, whatever you'd like. We got some granola. We got some granola for the yogurt. Holy fuck, I can't speak. And you know what I'm saying? We got that 0 sugar, 0 calorie soda. Gotta keep it anabolic since we're on a cut, you feel me? And last but not least, we got the pizza. As a matter of fact, I'm about to throw that shit into the oven right now. I completely forgot to buy eggs, but thankfully, my parents came clutch and they already bought eggs. So we're straight there. That's honestly one thing that completely went over my head that I completely forgot about was eggs. But I'll be fucking up 4 to 6 eggs on a daily. So if honestly, if I would have remembered, shit, the eggs would have been on here too. But I mean, I forgot. But thankfully, my parents got me covered. You know what I'm saying? Here's the meat lovers pizza. Quick little thumbnail. What are you doing, step bro? Instructions. Preheat oven. Yeah, fuck all that, bro. We're just gonna throw that shit in there like that. And make sure that's nice and even. Put it to 425 right in the middle. Bake pizza. Should have a level for this. Air fry bake. All right, we're on the right level. Remove pizza from box. Discard all packaging. Really, I was intending on throwing it in there with the box. I would have never guessed if you guys did not include that in your steps quest, but thank you for the heads up. Place frozen pizza directly on the middle wire rack and bake for 18 to 21 minutes, or until cheese is completely melted and starting to brown. Take pizza out of the oven. Let stand for 3 minutes before enjoying. I most definitely will be doing that quest. Cracked open one of the yogurts because honestly I didn't want to wait till tomorrow to try the granola. So I mean, live taste test. Passes the Bevinator's, I don't know what to call it. Approved by the Bevinator. We'll just say that. But yeah, honestly, not too bad for the end of the bulk. Maintained a lot of leanness. Didn't put on too much fat. But I'd say we're looking Also, guys, my Alpha Futures giveaway is still going on. I'm going to end the giveaway when I reach 25 participants. Right now, I'm currently at about 9, I believe. So if you want to enter, you can get a free entry by subscribing to my YouTube and leaving a like and comment on this video. But if you're interested in more additional entries for free, go on my YouTube, click the Alpha Futures giveaway video. That right there will tell you how to get more entries. Or if you want, head over to my TikTok. The username is right here. Click on my pinned post that says Alpha Futures giveaway. And that right there will also tell you how to get more additional entries. But on that pin video itself, follow me on TikTok, tag 2 friends in that video, and that itself is another entry. So do what you will with that information. Spread the word, spread the gospel. Tell your mom, your dad, your auntie, your sister, your uncle, your grandma, your granddad, your great-great-granddad. I don't know. Spread the word. Just, try to get as many people as possible to join. It's completely free. You don't lose anything. And hey, who knows? Maybe you might get a free 50K account. You might be the lucky winner. You know what I'm saying? But go ahead and enter that now. That's still going on. I'm trying to end that giveaway by hopefully the next 2 weeks. But yeah, honestly, it'd mean a lot if you guys can go ahead and spread the word, share that video as well. And may the odds be ever so, I don't even know what the fuck I'm saying, but may the odds be in your favor. Chad, I'm not even lying. This pizza looks gas as fuck. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this shit out. Fuck, bro, if I drop it, I'm about to be absolutely fucking livid. So I'm not gonna play any games. I do want to enjoy this. God damn, the cardboard was hot as fuck. Lock that up. Oh, fucker, don't tell me it's stuck, dig. Oh, motherfucker. God damn it. Oh, there we go. Fits perfectly on my plate. I'm gonna go ahead and just I don't got no pizza cutter, so don't make fun of me. We're just gonna go ahead and cut it up with a knife, a knife. We're gonna cut it up with a knife. Go ahead and just so I just say fucking do 4 slices. I think I'm just gonna do 4 slices. Let's see. Fuck it, I'll be no late. So it feels like I'm eating more. We'll do like 6 or something. You know what I'm saying? Oh, hell yeah, dawg. Oof. Looks phenomenal. This shit's even steaming. So I mean, oh, I also cracked open a Coke. You know what I'm saying? So I mean, let's go ahead and just fucking try this bitch. All right, you guys already see a live reaction to this meat lovers pizza. Okay. Cheers. Oh, that's pretty good. That's very good, actually. Oh, shit. Okay. Okay. Okay, Quad. That shit is hot as fuck, though. Cheese and pepper. Okay, taste test number 2. We're gonna add some Pizza Hut crushed pepper and some Pizza Hut grated cheese. Okay, now this is the real taste test. Dig, I fucking ran out, bro. I'm getting my fucking money's worth, bro. Every $2.49 worth. All right, now we're gonna taste test 2.0. Taste test 2.0. All right. Cheers. Even better, bro. Even fucking better. These shits right here with the cherries on top. phenomenal.